Oops. Oh, it is recording. Okay.
I can't do it.
What are we supposed to do?
I wonder. Let me see if your eyes are messed up. No, they look normal.
They do? They look beautiful?
Am I pretty?
Alright, that's enough of that.
Ah! Ah! What the hell? Oh my god, you are a fucked up hamster. Like, give me my ball. I'm gonna run it. Scooby, Scooby, Scooby.
We're alright. We're alright.